Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a £2 and a 50p from Gibraltar to show you. Now this is a 50p. Gibraltar, unfortunately, Gibraltar was a little bit too late in issuing their 50p and £2 Christmas coins for me to be able to review them in Christmas 2021. However, this is the 50p. It's got Gibraltar on the outside and it has Queen Elizabeth and the date of 2021. On the rear of the coin you see a Christmas tree going up and a minky. Yes, we have a minky, as Mr. Clouseau would say. It's a rock ape, or a pair of them, a mother and child maybe, sharing a Christmas presents. You have one monkey there, second monkey here, and a Christmas tree in the centre. This is one of two Christmas coins for this year, the other being a £2. Both of them have the Gibraltar rock ape or Barbary ape on them. This one has a pair of monkeys. I believe one is like a parent and the other one's a child, with a Christmas presents. It seems to be. There seems to be Christmas presents around them, with a tree in the background. The second one, again we have the Queen Elizabeth, Gibraltar 2021, and then on the back we have a Barbary ape with the rock in the background, and he seems to have both his paws on two ends of a cracker, and he's in the process of pulling the cracker. And he also whoa, get you in the right place. Let's get you over here somewhere in the right place. So I'll go through that again. You've got the rock in the background. You have the Barbary ape here. He has a Santa hat on, and he's holding a cracker between both his paws as if he's about to pull it. You have the value of the coin, which is £2, and it just says Christmas on the top of it. So we have that one with the rock apes or Barbary apes on, and then the 50p with the rock apes or the Barbary apes on. Which is your favourite of the two coins? I don't particularly have one. I like both of the coins. It's just unfortunate that Gibraltar was so late in setting these out, or getting these out, that we missed out of in this country in particular, being able to do reviews before Christmas. I think mine arrived either just on Christmas or just after Christmas, and it was too late by that time to get a review out. After that, it's just it was a question of getting the timing right. I may even save these till Christmas or late November, December in 2022 as a run up to Christmas coins for the 2022 year. I hope you do like them. They are quite difficult to get hold of. Now I'm very lucky. I have a company that I use frequently called Rock Numismatics, and I believe Darren has just done a video on, as I record this, of Rock Numismatics coming to the rescue, because he had lost, another company that he'd ordered stuff from had lost his order. Like me, he thinks Rock Numismatics is a good company, and it's one that I would recommend if you want to have Gibraltar's coins. So, having said that, let me just take you out a little bit. Whoops. And what I'd like to say is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And before people start having heart attacks and writing to me and saying they want to tell me off, these coins are actually circulating coins. They are not BU coins. I didn't get any of the BU coins this time for the Christmas set because they were sold out before I managed to place an order. Lastly, if you believe that this video has been a good video and you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. It'll help with the algorithm that YouTube use. Also, if you have not subscribed as yet and you believe I deserve your subscription, please would you subscribe, because I'd love to have you along for the rest of the journey through coins and banknotes, etc, etc. And until we meet up again on this channel, and I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully it won't be too long until you find something else that interests you. Until we meet up again, I'll say thank you for watching and bye bye for now. Bye bye.